इनके उनके चलो मुबशिर
हेलो।
स्टार्ट करो।
वो माइक उससे आ रही है, कैमरे से आ रही है।
माइक सर माइक दीजिए। मैं आपको लास्ट टाइम लक्ष्य करके सर करते लक्ष्य के लिए वेट कर देना।
Sorry.
आवाज आ रही है। Plan. It's a waste of money, yaar. Do you think the same? Then let me tell you four big benefits of a term plan which will definitely change your mind. First, you sleep well because nothing is more relaxing than knowing that your family is protected in case of any mishap. Second, if you're salaried, you get a 12% discount on your premiums, which is amazing. Plus, let's not forget the huge tax benefit of up to 1.5 lakh rupees that you can claim on your paid policy premiums. And last, the sooner you buy the plan, the lower will be the premium that you have to pay. Max Life has a claims paid ratio of 99.65%, indicating a high trust. So why wait? Click on the link below to buy now.
इतना निकाल देंगे निकाल देंगे Yeah, एक मिनट बोल दो करेक्ट एक मिनट लाइन में Now I cannot want you to take in the most of it now. इधर आओ वो ले लेके आओ ले लेके आओ ले लेके ले लेके आओ या देर बिल्कुल मैं गिर रहा पानी आ रही है पता है ठीक है वो देखो लेकर क्या लेकर माइक में बात करने की आवाज आ रही है वो भी यूएसबी के द्वारा लेकिन बात आ रही है वो लिखना यूएसबी के द्वारा अपन लिंक में कनेक्ट नहीं करेंगे हेलो 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 और एक माइक हेलो अगर ये दो आवाज अनेक दिन क्या करेंगे कल जो अपन कैसा है ब्लू कलर का पहले तो ब्लू कलर माइक माइक हेलो हेलो
Are you clear and from SNS department? National Day celebrated on September 15 in India to honor the contribution of engineers and commemorate the birth anniversary of Sir Moksagatam Vishwaraya, a renowned English engineer and statesman. In the field of engineering, Sir Vishwaraya was a pioneer who significantly influenced the whole of India's infrastructure. His name served as a representation of the future role that engineering plays in technology, improving quality of life and driving economic growth. It also serves to inspire and motivate current and future engineers to pursue excellence and innovation in the field. Now, I request Chief ICSC Dr. Sansan Kumar Sir to occupy the seat on the dais. Now, I request the Student Affairs and HOD Now, I would like to invite the academic Dr. Nagin Sir to occupy the seat on the dais. I request the R&D Dr. Abdul Alam to occupy the seat on the dais. Now I request our principal Dr. Ravi Sir to occupy the seat on the dais. I request our Secretary Mr. T.S. Sayyid Tanveer to occupy the space on the air.
Okay.
Now I request Dr. Sanjay Kumar to give welcome address to the gathering.
Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon. First of all, I would like to welcome you all for the wonderful day. This year, we are celebrating this Engineers Day in a grand way. First of all, I would like to congratulate the student clubs for the effort they are putting. For the last 1 month, they are busy with the examinations. They are putting a lot of efforts to make this day happen. I would like to congratulate the leaders and the organizers of these fighters. Namely, I took the student ranks, Korea Hub, DDSP Google Developer Student Club, Microsoft Club, Student Club, and TCEL. So it is time to applaud them for their efforts for their busy with the examinations. So it is our responsibility. It is each and every one of our responsibility to applaud them. Please applaud. So this celebration we should remember the services of many engineers across the country. Those who driven the entire engineering sector, those made us to pursue our careers and engineers. From this year onwards, every year we have a grand celebration of engineering in our campus. And we are having one of Saturdays for you. From this year onwards, each daily when you are going to launch, we have returned to the existing 5 student clubs. And this year onwards, and by this year, we are going to launch 6 new student clubs. So that will be limited to it. And if students who are interested to participate at those yet, they can register and take yourself membership under the club. So I thank each and everyone for being here, but especially the students and deans for making the students part of this wonderful event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your presence. Now I request the academic Dr. Nakhilesh sir to speak few words.
Respected academic on behalf of the respected principal and staff of Commission other leading on that. And my dear students, good afternoon. A very happy Engineers Day to all the engineers as well as would-be engineers present here. So I'm working for LARD since last 7 years. So this is the first time that I'm seeing this much of crowd on Engineers Day celebration. So my congratulations to Dean IKIC team as well as all the students 5 clubs. So as the anchor mentioned, engineers are the creator for tomorrow and turns the visualization into the reality. So we are proud to be engineers. So we are celebrating this. Generally, we will celebrate the Engineers Day on September 15th to remember it's the birth anniversary of our Dr. Salvepalli Mokshagunde Vishwesharaya. Recently, we celebrated Teachers Day. That day is coming. Okay. So there are some experiences he faced. So while he was traveling in a train, in a class bogie. He slept by keeping his head towards the window. Suddenly, there is some change in the sound. He noticed that something went wrong. He suddenly pulled the chain and stopped the train. And all the people came and questioned him, why you stopped the train? Then immediately he told that So there is something wrong with the track, railway track, maybe few meters away from here. And they questioned, now it is night time. How do you know that there is something wrong? He coolly say that, go and check the track. They went and checked the track. So there was some damage in the track. And also in the year 1908, so Hyderabad faced a biggest great floods. Half of the Hyderabad was damaged. So at that time, the last Nizam, Usman Ali Khan, has requested our Mokshagundam Vishwesvaraya sir to find out the solution for this. So he has constructed our Himayat Sagar as well as the Usman Sagar. He is the person responsible for this. So thereby protecting the Hyderabad from the floods as well as providing the drinking water during the summer season. So we are proud to be the engineers because engineering profession is a great profession. So whatever may be the machinery or the equipment that are used by other professionals, including doctors, are created by the engineers. So once again, I congratulate all the 5 club members, that is Google Developer Club, Microsoft Club, CodeWave Hub, Lord CSL, as well as the IEEE Society. So for organizing this event successfully in a grand manner. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now I request Dean R&D, Dr. Maksud Alam, sir, to address the gathering.
Assalamu alaikum. Please maintain the discipline, inshallah. As we are the engineer, we have to maintain this. See, first of all, I would like to thank our beloved principal, sir, and also respected Joint Secretary, sir, and Dean Academics, HOD of IT, Dr. K. Nagireddy, Dean IQAC, Dr. C.H. Santan, sir, and my dear HODs and other faculty members, and my dear students. See, Engineers Day is one of the very important day for we engineers' life, because as we are the engineer, we should know that one. Why we are going to celebrate this one? We need the highest form of professionalism of engineer. That is the first things we should achieve in our life, because an engineer should have a high standard of professionalism. Second things, he should excel in his particular field. That is also very important. As we are not excel in our particular field, so once we can complete our academics and we can go for the industry, so there is a great difficulty for our life. So this is also one of the thing I'm requesting you all engineers, please excel at your particular field. That comes from basic foundation from your academics as well as your training and placement cell and other different activities. Apart from that, we need high standard of integrity also. Professionalism and integrity is one of the major and important role for an engineer's life. That also we need to achieve. And we need to strive the excellence. Because now world is very competitive. We have to produce some excellence which can help to our society, help to our nation, help to entire world. We need to think for the globally. If we can grow, that can be raised to our nation, that can be raised to our society, that can be raised to internationally. So my dear students, so please think in this direction. Engineers Day means we are not simply celebrating the Engineer Day. No. Like as this person, he did something new, some excellence. So because of that, now India today is celebrating the Engineers Day in the name of that particular person birthday. Similarly, we engineers should be very effective in our field, very excellent in our field. We should have high standards of professionalism and integrity. So my dear students, with this small advice, I'm going to thank you all, like basically these 4 club teams, those who have arranged all such things with our Dean IQAC, like IEEE chapters. IEEE chapter need to do in such a way like IEEE is having internationally recognition. So from that, you should bring a fame in our college. Quality paper from the students, quality research from the students, and so many other things we can do by using IEEE chapters. Similarly, GDSE, Google Developer Team is having a recognition all over the world. So we should produce an engineer in such a way like engineer can have more than 20 lakhs packages per annum. Now many colleges they are producing. So we should be very good for our academics and our coding skill. Same way for MSc also. Microsoft, you know, that is the world top notch company at the world. So from why we have made this one, so students should globally recognize through this. Similarly, you should have CodeWeb Hub. This is a base platform where we can make our students all this particular level. So students, please, now you need to concentrate in this particular direction. So your growth will be the growth of the nation, growth of the international platform. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your inspirational words. Civil engineers, we build the world. Mechanical engineers, we run the world. Electrical engineers, we power the world. Computer engineers, we program the world. Electronics engineers, we gadgetize the world. Now it's the time to appreciate the talent of the students. So I request coordinators to announce the winners of today's competitions. I call upon ECell coordinator to announce the winners.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mohammad Uzair Khan, the president of ESIL. First of all, I thank the management for allowing us to conduct the Engineers Day program, and it went absolutely smooth. And now we, the people of ESIL, hosted a program called Pitch Perfect, and we had a massive competition in the program. And the winners of the program, the first prize goes to Syed Hamza Noor of second year. May I have Hamza Noor on the stage, please? The second prize goes to Habiba Fatima of first year. And the third prize goes to Mehboob Khan of first year. Thank you once again, and congratulations on the occasion of Engineers Day.
Now it's the time to call upon our principal, Dr. Ravi Kishore Singh sir, to present his views on the occasion.
Good afternoon and salam alaikum to everybody. I'm not going to take much time, only 2-3 minutes. The reason being ki after lunch, everybody wants to wait for 4:30 so that buses are lined up and you are lined up in the buses. So not going to take much time. Now my only one question is ki why there is a requirement of engineers. There were people doing the job. There were mathematicians who were doing the job. There were physics people who were doing their job. And suddenly there was a need to fill need was felt for engineers. Okay, quiet please, just one more minute. The mathematics people only know how to use a formula. They are not bothered about what is the input, what is the output. They will use a formula. Something will be input, output will be there. The physics people only want the concept, the input concept, the formula concept and output concept. And engineer, what he does is, he integrates the physics, he integrates the mathematics and produces a product. Product in term of mobile, product in term of television, product in term of rockets, product in terms of radars, product in terms of tanks. These are the products which the engineer brings out. But before that, he has to learn physics well and he has to learn mathematics well, apply both of them and bring out some engineering solution. Initially, engineers were basically civil engineers. They were only called engineers. Later on, mechanical engineers became very powerful when the production era started. And today, who is powerful? The computer science people, as madam told, who can program. So now the people who can program have become powerful. That's all for today. I congratulate when Santan sir came to me, we want to hold Engineers Day together for everybody, not department wise. And we want to show as to how strong are our students club. I was the happiest person because the more the involvement of students, the better will be outcome of the function. And I can see the outcome. I must congratulate all my students. I must congratulate my team, also Santan, for doing such a good function. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now I call upon coordinator of GDAC and MSc to announce the winners.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. I would proudly like to present you that I'm the GDG on-campus lead for this tenure. And our event was a great hit, alhamdulillah. It was, of course, because of the excitement, the efforts from your side. And thanks a lot and congratulations to the winners. I would like to announce the winning team. Ayan Sharif from ITA, Mohammad Ghaus, AIMLB, Syed Khaja Ejazuddin, CSMB, Gulam Ahmed, ITA. I would also like to announce the runner-ups: Sheikh Mahmood, Sheikh Marvia, Sheikh Faizan, Mohammad Bashiruddin Khan. Congratulations to all the winners. Congratulations to all the engineers. Thank you.
Now I call upon coordinator of MSc to announce the winners.
Assalamu alaikum, one and all. I can proudly say that our event was a grand success with a participant rate of 120 students and more. And this is all possible due to our Mr. Santan Kumar sir and all the dignitaries who always supported us from past 2 weeks in planning and evaluation. And now we were having a 4 members in a single team. So I'd like to call the team Edinburgh. Applause for them. Last but not least, now it's time for the runner-ups. It's Sara Sajid, Zenera Mahin, Sayyida Khubra Fatima, and Sayyid Wahed Ali. Please come on to the stage.
Now I would like to invite our Joint Secretary, Mr. C.A. Syed Tanveer Ahmed sir, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Engineers are the usual chit chatters, or are those people who sit in an event but don't listen to what the people on the stage are addressing them? Are there such people? Because for the past 20 minutes we have been here, everyone is chit chatting with each other. You're sitting and here and you're wasting your time. Anyways, happy Engineers Day to everyone. We have celebrated it 2 days before because Sunday was 15th was a Sunday. In India, we celebrate Engineers Day, we celebrate Doctors Day, we celebrate Teachers Day, we celebrate Children's Day. Many days we celebrate, but these days are celebrated with a sense of belonging to such community to which people belong to. You being engineers, you belong to the community of engineers. You celebrate this day so that people who have the engineers who have contributed to the country, it makes the people of the non-engineers of the country makes them realize that engineers are a very important part of the society. So happy Engineers Day to everyone. I want to tell something about the student clubs. In the past couple of years, we have seen a good level of progress in the students club. ESL was formed 4 years ago, 3 to 4 years ago. Every year, it started off with some minor events in the institute level. Later on, in 2022, we hosted an event with IIT Bombay. An e-summit was hosted here. And then year on year, we have hosted many events. Shark Tank was also hosted. Similarly, CodeWeb Hub was established last year. We celebrated and hosted a hackathon. That was a 36-hour hackathon, first in Telangana. We got people from all over the country. And then there were many other events that happened in MSc, GDSC clubs, and IEEE. So there was a good progress in the past years. I would like you all, I would want you all to give a round of applause to all the participants and all the members who contributed to the clubs and to the institution. Similarly, this year we are going to inaugurate four new clubs, 6 new clubs, where these clubs will progress year on year. We instead of 6 clubs, 60 clubs can be formed, but only 6 clubs were formed because we want an effective functioning of each and every club. Student clubs are named as student clubs. The reason being, it is run by students. The management of the institution or the faculty have a very minor control on student clubs. It's the students who run the club, who host events, who host the meetings, and with a sense of ownership and belonging, they work towards it. No one in the student club is being paid or given any remuneration for their contribution. Let it be the ESL president, or let it be the CodeWeb Hub lead, or let it be the GDSC lead, or let it be anyone. They have worked for the betterment of the club, for the progress of the club, and for their own growth. Similarly, I request I want all the future members of the group, members of the club, to give their best to have a sense of belonging and to work towards the betterment of the club. There are many issues that students in the student clubs face. For example, people usually the students who are the part of club usually come and meet us and tell the problems that they are facing. For example, a student comes and tell that the lead in their club is not good and not appreciating my work and is always rude or always favors one particular person in the group. So I tell him that these things are a very these issues are very common in the real world. You have, until now you have worked in the academics. This is the first time you'll enter student clubs, and this is the first time you'll get what do you call, you'll get a basic hint of what actual politics are in any organization. So what I want to tell to all the club members, that if you face any issues, work along with it. Try to survive the issue, try to circumvent through the issues, so that ultimately you'll get to learn a lot of things and it will help you eventually in your life. Apart from that, being a member of a student club also adds up to your profile, it adds up to your CV. So whenever you wish to get admit or you apply for an admit in a top-notch master's program in a good university, they'll consider your non-academics performance, non-academics activity in your profile in your college. So this adds up to your profile and is always a plus point for all the student club members. So ultimately, I just want to tell that whatever student club, whatever activities are going on, there should be a progress. And I want you all to participate in a very efficient manner and give your best to the student clubs. So that you will learn, people along with you learn, the club gets better, and it also ultimately helps the institution. So I was very happy to see the level of enthusiasm among students today when I entered the hall. And I got to know that the events today were held in a very good manner. This shows that people are very much interested. I want all the students to I want the other upcoming first year students to also be active and work towards the betterment of the clubs. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now I call upon coordinator of IEEE to announce the winners.
Good afternoon, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I am the interim chairperson at IEEE student branch right now. And without any delay, I would like to announce the winners of the escape room challenge. So third prize goes to Biryani Brigade, the team named Biryani Brigade from CSE first year. The team members, please come up. Imaduddin, Isaaq Hussain, Hamad, and Amir. Please come and collect your prizes. Now, second prize goes to Old Money, Team Old Money. CSMC, first year, Mohammad Sufyan Arsh, Atif Ahmed, Fahad, and Affan. Please come up to the stage. For the first prize, we have Team T's Boss, Mehboob Khan, Ayan Gulabi, Adil Ahmed, Zain Ali.
Now I call upon the coordinator of CWH to announce the winners.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Syed Fahad, here to announce the winners as part of the Code Web community. The event was facilitated by our education partner, GetUp Education, and our event partner, CapEx Collective. Moving on to the winners of our event. For the problem solving challenge code retreat, the winner is Tawfiq CSMA. Coming up next, we have a quiz winner, Ibrahim Nasir, CSM 2A. Moving on, for the GitHub challenge winner, we have Madhya Numa, IT 2A. Yeah, so we are basically giving a coupon from the GitHub community. This coupon can be used on the GitHub product platform to buy anything. And we will be providing digital certificates to all the participants of our event. And as part from the CapEx collective community, we will be distributing around 1,000 X CapEx tokens that are basically crypto tokens worth 10,000 rupees to the winners. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to all the winners. To announce the launch of various clubs, I request Dr. C.S. Santan Kumar sir to provide the details.
Right? I hope you have seen the contributions made by these 5 active clubs for the last few years. And these clubs not only brought changes in the ecosystem, they, I feel, the leads of these clubs, organizers of these clubs, they improved themselves, they improved their skill sets, they upskilled through conducting a lot of events. And certainly, I feel these leads and organizers of this team will excel in their career with the skills that they acquired through these clubs. And first of all, at the outset, I would like to congratulate these 5 clubs for being part of this wonderful event and being part of LIT's journey for the last few years. And whenever we discuss, myself, principal sir, and our management, we feel that we need to launch few more clubs to our college students. So we personally feel that every student is having some one or some other talent, hidden talent, and we want to bring that talent out so that they can bring a lot of laurels to this campus. So here today, in addition to the existing 5 clubs, we are going to launch 6 new clubs. And in some days time, in few days time, we will going to float a Google form to your student WhatsApp groups. Students, those are interested, can register themselves for this club so that we can make these clubs active and we can make these clubs function for the next coming years. And now let us launch the new clubs. And here it is also in a competition where you can guess the name of the club. We will just give the abbreviation of the club. You have to guess the name of the full club, right? So let us go to the first one. So any guess? Club 3D and AM. And this is one of the technology which is advancing, where we feel students should have skill set in this particular domain to prove themselves in the industry 4.0, to automate lot of things, right? So this particular skill set is required. We feel this club has to be launched in this campus, where we are having a wonderful facility available with us, and we are having wonderful faculty who are trained in this particular skill. And we want to transfer that skill set from faculty to students. So any guess? Any guess? So, right. So next. So the club name is 3D Printing and Additive Manufacturing Club. We are having a wonderful facility in the ground floor, where our mechanical faculty are having expertise in this. So student coordinators who are interested to be part of this club, they can register themselves and we can have wonderful activities under this, right? So 3D Printing and Additive Manufacturing Club, 3D and AM Club. So let us move to the next club, MAD Club. MAD. Any guess? Okay. Let us reveal this club and see this is where students should get skill set. Students are having a lot of ideas in their mind and they don't know how to implement those. And they don't know how to make that happen, and they don't know how to take it forward to the global community. So through this club, we want to upskill the students in this particular domain. This MAD club is Mobile Application Development Club. Next. Mobile Application Development Club. So you're having a lot of ideas in your mind to serve the community.
And this club will train the students to develop their own mobile applications so that they can float it to the common public. Next club is R&DD. Any guess? R&DD. Anyone? Right? This club, the sky is the limit. And nowadays, the technology is getting spread across the world. And this plays crucial role in the defense sector. This plays crucial role in the industrialization. And this is the one skill set where students should acquire, one skill that students should acquire to move into the wonderful world of industrialization. So this club is Robotics and Drones Development Club. Students towards robotics, students those are having interest towards drone technology, they can be part of this club, and we'll call some trainers. We are having in-house trainers. We will call some external trainers to train in this particular technology. So till now we have seen the technical clubs. One more club is there. So next club, GNCE. What is GNCE? And it is more about global cause. And it is needed. We need to educate the neighbors, society, and our fellow mates in this particular domain, where it is for the global cause, as I mentioned. This club is Green and Clean Energy Club. Green and Clean Energy Club, where engineers who want to make this globe a sustainable one, they can join with this club. We will be working on different technologies which are moving towards green and clean energy. It may be renewable energy, it may be waste management, it may be converting waste to a usable product, whatever it is. So this club will be operating to function towards sustainable globe, right? Next. So till now we have seen the technical clubs where all the engineers can be part of these clubs. We want to, so today morning also one of the girl student came to me that, sir, we are having a lot of technical clubs. We need some of the clubs which are non-technical. Many students are having talent. Who is that girl? Yeah, right. This is for you. And the next two clubs are non-technical clubs. We feel that every student is having some or other talent. And we try to group up all those things into one club so that this club can effectively function towards extracurricular talents of the students. So let us move to the next one, DMDFA. What is DMDFA? So dance, next, dance, music, drama, and fine arts. Students, those who are having skill set in any of these things can join this club, and you can be part of the wonderful events that will be organized in the future coming years. And even we want to know the student hidden talents, and we want to promote those talents to the outside world, right? So what is this club? Drama, music, dance, and fine arts. And one more club is waiting for you, where we know many students are having skill in this particular domain. Next, PV and SF. Any guess? Any guess? See, I was the convener for HackPre, which is a 36 hours hackathon mentioned by our joint secretary, sir. Until that event happened, I didn't notice much talent. I mean, particularly in website building, particularly in video editing, particularly in creative design, particularly in organizing the event and technologies, right? So that that event brought a lot of change in my thinking. I feel that yes, we are having a lot of students, 4,000 plus students in our campus. Every student is having some or other talent. So as a faculty, as a administrators, as management, we are all here to encourage those hidden talents so that they can excel themselves in their career. So that is the main reason behind formulating these clubs. So this particular club came from that with that experience of Hackpree, right? So what is this? Any guess? Right? This club is photography, videography, and short film making. Photography, videography, and short film making. So in recognition to the outstanding contribution of these clubs for the past few years, so I feel it is a right time, Engineers Day event is the right time to appreciate them for their services to this college and the student community of this college. So first, I don't remember the names. I invite IEEE student branch president to come forward, and I request the presenter to play the IEEE video. So, and the president of the IEEE student branch will also explain the benefits of joining with IEEE. Not that one. Volume.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Fiza Mirza. I am the interim chairperson at IEEE. Okay, since you guys have already seen the video, we've listed some of the benefits of IEEE. You obviously figured out that IEEE is not a student level club, or it's not a state level club. Neither it's a just for India. It's an international club, and you will obviously avail all those benefits if you are a member. What I would like to announce right now is that this week we will be coming forward to the first year students, and we will be doing some awareness programs as to what IEEE membership is and as to what IEEE working committee in the college is. We will be making certain announcements about student development club and also women in engineering club. I shall share the details with you later. For now, this much is enough. And I would like to present some appreciation certificates to my team members who have been very active. Abdul Rahim, Rayan Hakhani. Rayan, are you here? All the IEEE team members, please come forward. Simeen Jamil. Next. Asim. Arham Jamal, Mirza Atiab Beg, Fahad Nawaz Khan. Fahad, are you here? Abdul Malik. Thank you so much for your efforts, guys.
Now I call upon GDSC and MSc club coordinator to come forward.
Because you're in for a ride. It's my own desire. It's my own will. Help me to decide. Help me make the right freedom. Let your love never last
Right?
And begins the journey of Microsoft Student.
So Microsoft Students Club and Google Developer Students Club, they're actually participating in upskilling the students, and they have conducted a lot of events across the college. So I feel this is a time to appreciate them for their contributions for the last 1.5 year in this campus. I I would like to invite the leads of these clubs to announce their members to present the appreciation certificates.
Good evening, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. It's an honor for me to be standing here in front of you, addressing all the first years, second years, and third years as well. I'm proudly telling this to you that I have been chosen as the lead, and all the events that you have seen right now, Alhamdulillah, I was a part of it. And I can assure you the journey that I had with Google developers, it was amazing, it was stunning. And I got to learn a lot of stuff. I was able to develop my skills. I can assure you, if you will be a part of it, inshallah, we can grow together, because that's what an engineer does, right? If I grow together, we all grow together, right? So, inshallah, we'll also be doing an inauguration ceremony in the next week, and we'll also coming to the classes, or we'll be doing an info session for all of you, so that you'll get more knowledge, and you'll get to know what Google Developers is actually about. I would proudly like to announce the members of my team. First, we with Mirajunnisa Khan, Durdana Sultana, Durdana Sultana, Nasiha Tanazzum, Abd Ali Kanchwala, Yasmin Sania Tabassum, Mohammad Abdus Samad Sattar, Afira Anam, Uzafar Arfat, Qudsiya Mehraj, Sayyid Miran Hussain. Thank you, everyone. I would like to take a leave.
Now I call upon the coordinator of CWAS to announce the appreciation certificates.
It's been a year since the CodeWave Hub started. On the 24th of August 2023, CodeWave is an open source community for students and aspiring developers enthusiasts. I've been Abdul Vassay, the founder, and is an Ali co-founder of CodeWave Hub. Let's recap memories.
Again, a very good afternoon to one all present here. This is Syed Fahad, lead at Code Web Community. We are one of the tech communities based in Hyderabad, where we support fellow students to grow in their tech journey. Uh, I don't have a very impromptu speech ready, so I'll be telling out whatever we've done for the past 1 year. Till date, we have organized more than 10 plus events, out of which 5 events were online and outside the campus, where we have allowed students from our Lord's College, collaborated with college of other students. Apart from organizing events, we have provided mentoring to our members, and we are proud to announce that around 50 students have got internships by our partners. CodeWeb Hub is supported by 2 major MNC companies, that is GitHub and Tezos. By seeing all of this, if you're thinking we're just a tech community, we are more than that. And it's your interest that builds up this community. And moving on, I would like to call upon the organizers for HackRex Hackathon. We have Soa Fatima, Sayed Ajmal, Abdul Rahim,
And these are the students, they worked for 3 months to 4 months in making all of you come together. Hackpree organizers, please come forward. All of you come together because we don't have much time with us. And these are the group of students who made that possible in conducting a Telangana's first 36 hours hackathon in this very campus. And we feel these people must be appreciated on this very event of Engineers Day. And the group of organizers were led by our student, Mr. Vase, is also here. And if Vase, please join with the team for a photograph. Even volunteers, those are available. Volunteers of Hackpree can please join with us. Yeah, please. Volunteers, please come for a group photograph. Backside. You want to do? Right? A big round of applause for these people. And the first edition of Hackpree 1.0 is a blockbuster success. And next year, next month onwards, we are starting preparations for Hackpree 2.0. So certainly you can be part of this wonderful journey for the next coming 1 year, right? Thank you. Now we invite Mr. Uzair, the president of ECEL, to give away certificates to the ECEL members and the organizers of today's ECEL event. So with this, we'll end the club, recognizing the club club coordinators. ECEL is one of the prominent committee and club which is working towards developing startup culture, which is working towards developing entrepreneurs in this very campus. I personally know that this club is contributing a lot towards developing that culture in this campus. And certainly the clubs which we launched today will add to the vision of this ECEL, right? Now I request Mr. Uzair, President of ECEL, to give away appreciation certificates to the event organizers.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Uzair Khan, the president of ECEL. First of all, I don't need to hype the ECEL by presenting videos. ECEL is the most classic club of Lords, the father of all clubs. So I'll just describe ECEL in one statement. We are not job doers, we are job providers. So now I would like to call my lovely team, the first member of my team, most hardworking person which stays with me always, Abdul Mateen Khan. I would like to call Vice President Raisa Mahmood. Again, a very hardworking member, Hafsa Mehwish, who tirelessly worked for today's event overnight. Then we have Soha Mehreen. Then we have Mohammad Junaid, our lovely designer who makes the interesting posters for the ESL. Thank you, Junaid, for all your hard work. Then we have our new talented member, Asim, as the General Secretary of ESL. Then we have another talented person in our community, Tehniyat Fatima. And we have Imazuddin, the representative and the class ambassador of IIT Bombay. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening to me. I would like to hand over the mic to. Yeah, I would like to call my team, all the ESL team, for the group photo, please.
Engineering is not about making things, it's about making things better. Now I call upon Syed Fahad of CSC second year to propose vote of thanks.
The best and beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed it as a memorable and peaceful event. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. C.S. Syed Tanvir Ahmed Sir, Vice Chairman, for his words of wisdom. We are grateful to Dr. Ravi Kishore Singh Sir, Principal, for his words of encouragement. I thank Dr. Azam Pasha Khatri Sir, Vice Principal, for his everlasting support for this program. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. T.K. Sheikh Shavali Sir, convener for this program, and Dean Student Affairs. Thank you, sir, for your wonderful arrangements, your unceasing of support. I express my thanks to Dr. Santan Kumar Sir, convener for this event, and Dean IQSC for his ingenious involvement in making videos and presentation. Thank you, sir, for your enthusiasm. I would like to thank Dr. J. Shashikiran Sir, Dean First Year, for his words of encouragement and guidance. My heartfelt thanks to all the deans, head of all departments, and the faculty for their valuable contribution, guidance, and encouragement in all efforts. My heartfelt I owe special gratitude to the non-teaching staff who has worked hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable success. I thank the technical team for their timely cooperation in organizing today's program. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. We have been fortunate enough to backed up by a team of very motivated and dedicated student communities. Anchors and volunteers, I thank each and everyone who is associated with this event. Once again, I thank you everyone.
Thank you, Fahad, for your efforts.